The 39th anniversary of June 4 uprising has been commemorated with a reminder that the event stood for the restoration of probity, accountability, and transparency. In Accra, the former president flight, Lieutenant General John Rawlings, called for the return of the core values of the June 4 uprising in managing the country's economy.
Years ago today, the people of Ghana rose up against the decade that led to the country's decay, brought it to its knees, and led to Ghana being described as a collapsed state. Many do not remember that the whole country was crying for an end to the decadence that had engulfed the country. Many do not remember that though the uprising was led by the ranks and junior officers, it was successful because the mass of the people was spiritually supportive in ensuring that June 4th happened to give the country a new lease of life. God owns every day belongs to God. But that June 4th, 79 was indeed a special day that God gave to us. Ladies and gentlemen, as soldiers, we always obey orders and carry out orders. But there is something I've always said about the Ghanaian soldier being second to none to any soldier in any part of the world. That is, our soldiers, our security personnel have a lot of conscience. Our soldiers are people of conscience. That was a day they could not help but obey their conscience, the dictates of their conscience, and this is what led to the victory of the revolution. Ladies and gentlemen, June 4th, 1979, and 31st December 1981 were not about individuals for a small group of people, or rather a small group of people. They came about as a result of a deterioration of all that Ghana stood for. The freedom and justice that we so proudly tout as our national motto had been lost on us.